Here I have ARCHOS Access 101, and today I'm going to show you how to add Google account and also how to remove it from this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the accounts section. Here you have to tap add account, then select Google. For this operation you will need internet connection, of course. Next you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap next. Next you have to enter password and tap next. Then you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And for the last thing, you have to tap accept here, and the Google account is added. If you want to remove it, you just open it here, tap here and select remove account. And account is removed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.